All right, so I'm sitting out in my truck today, and you may have wondered why I mounted a tablet inside my truck. And what the heck am I doing? Okay, well, let me tell you what I'm doing. Up here, you see mounted to the dash, or I shouldn't say the dash, I should say the window. You see a GoPro Hero8 mounted up there. Now, the nice thing about GoPro Hero8s, like the 9 and 10 series, is that they have super wide lenses and they, of course, have image stabilization. Now, GoPro uses an application called Quick. And if you put Quick on an Apple device or any other type of smartphone or smart tablet device, it will link to the camera remotely, and then you can control the camera from that device. So I have this set up, and it's linked to my tablet right now. The camera is in live mode, and you can see me in the mirror here doing a video on my iPhone. And what we're about to do is we're about to switch in this video from my iPhone, which I'm taking the video while parked, to the GoPro, which I'm going to take the video while moving. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now the GoPro is taking the video, and we're going to take a little drive around and see how well this is going to work. Here we go. I gotta make sure I don't crash into anything here while I'm talking. That would be bad. I'm driving on a neighborhood street here in Washington, D.C. Well, one thing I gotta learn right off the bat, I can't look at the tablet while I'm backing up because it's giving me a forward view. That's bad. Alright, so now we're driving down the street here, checking this out. Now, we're going to go over a couple speed humps here, see how the camera handles that. Looks like it handled it pretty good. We'll just drive around here a little bit and see how this works. It's December here in D.C., so leaves have fallen off the trees. It's a Saturday, so traffic might be a little bit busy, but not too bad. Now, I got this GoPro mounted in a small rig frame, so it's not direct mounted. The reason why I got the small rig is because I can put accessories and other stuff on there which I want to use for other things. Not certain how well this small rig is going to work mounted to the windshield, because I can hear some vibration. So if that's picked up in the audio, that would be good. Incidentally, the neighborhood that we're driving around in here up here is Tacoma, which is at the top of the diamond in DC, which is of course the north side. This is one of the last, thank you sir, flash that. Which is one of the last neighborhoods that was built out in the big push during the 30s to the just before World War II in the 40s. So most of the homes around here are 1920s, 1930s. The building that I live in is a 1930s building. Hi there. It's a very nice neighborhood. Maneuvering through traffic here. You can see there's a lot of people out walking. It's a nice day. It's actually close to 70 degrees today, and almost the middle of December, typical. So I am getting a few vibrations here that I'm not quite sure where I'm getting those vibrations from. It's likely the tablet mount, and don't want vibrations while you're doing this. So the reason why I put this together is so of course I can do some trail videos while we're out camping and stuff like that, just to see how well they work for my YouTube channel, and we'll see how that works. One of the cool things about the Toyota Tacoma 2017 Off-Road is that it has a GoPro mount built right into the windshield. So you don't have to do any modification or anything like that. You just have to stick your GoPro up there and you're good to go. Alright, well I think this is about to do it. We gotta park up here in a second. These streets are pretty narrow. They're never made for the volume of traffic that we have now. And of course the reason why they put these speed humps in is because idiots were going 50 miles an hour down these streets, and as you can tell they're really small residential streets and you can't do that. So that's why there's a speed hump about every 100 yards in this neighborhood. And I'm actually glad they're there. So there we are. Back up here, get in here tight. That should about do it for spacing. Okay. All right, we're done. I'm gonna check out this video, see how it worked out.